Question: which state of India is the leading producer of cotton? Cotton is called as white gold. China is the largest cotton producing country in the world, but after that India is there. But here Gujarat is the largest cotton producing present situation. But previously Maharashtra was there, but present is Gujarat is the largest cotton producer. After Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, these states are there. More than 25% of cotton is coming from this state. Cotton is called as white gold because cotton mills also, these textile mills also located more in Gujarat. Ahmedabad, Surat, Rajkot, all these are famous for textile mills in our country. More than 4 lakh people are depending on textile industry in our country. After agriculture, the main industry is what in our country? Textile industry. It is the oldest industry also. Industrial revolution whenever started, after that textile mill was started in Mumbai in 1853. పారిశ్రామిక విప్లవం ఎక్కడ వచ్చిందంటే బ్రిటన్లో వచ్చింది. దాని తర్వాత భారతదేశంలో పారిశ్రామిక అభివృద్ధి సాధించినప్పుడు మన దేశంలో మొట్టమొదటి ప్రారంభించిన మిల్ టెక్స్టైల్ మిల్లే అనమాట. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ రిమెంబర్ గుజరాత్.
గ్రేట్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ యాప్ని ప్లే స్టోర్ నుంచి డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి.